Wow, that was super quick. I just, yeah. Oh, son of. Make me go first. Second ranked match of the night. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see a deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! Prosperity. 6 samurais? Oh my god, I haven't played 6 samurais since Duel Links. Don't really know what they do. Oh, Sheehan? Oh no. Oh god. Okay, play at 6. What the fuck? What's happening here? Oh, someone else watched something. In the graveyard. Oh god. He's already using up most of his resources, like... Okay. I wonder if, this is on there. Okay. Yeah. That's ready to go for next round? He used a bunch of resources. He has 1 card left. Board is really 1000 attack link monster. Link 2. Unless god damn. Monster Reborn. With 2 Bushido counters. Okay. This will get a Bushido counter, and this guy will get 1 Bushido counter. He's gonna gain 100 attack. He is going to revive who? Is it Kagemusha, Kizan, or what the f? Oh, he's gonna Neither Fibrax. Needle Fibrax. Needle Fiber. Christian Healthy Fibrax. No, that's... Give me an Eldritch. Come on. First bird. I'll banish 3. I'll do 1, 2, and 1 of the 3 Chakanams. Come on. Oh, Eldritch. I'll take the Eldritch. But I won't have another Do I save the Eldritch and just go for the board wipe? Yeah, I'm just gonna go for the board wipe. Go for a higher attack since already everything is cut in half, his damage with the prosperity, so he has no back row, no hand trap. I'm just gonna normal summon Zodiac Thoroughblade. And then go for the Borbo. Stack it right up. Exishokan! Borbo, and then I'm gonna save the Eldritch. Yeah. I could do more damage, but I'll save the Eldritch. Battle. Borbo. Direct attack. Its attack is cut in half. Or any damage he takes is cut in half because of prosperity. Okay. Main phase 2. I'm gonna stack it up. Go for Hammer Kong. Hammer Kong, Chaka 9. Tiger Motor. And then Zeus. I want to save the Trident. There we go. Exishokan! Sky Thunder! Exis! Oh, I can't even. Exis! Ah, crap, I forgot the Japanese word. Exisatsu! What? And do I set this? Skill drain? Nah. Nintendo. It's got one card. GG. Do I try to kill him this turn? Yeah, I can kill him this turn. Okay. Just gonna set his card. End phase. Sky Thunder. Gokyotsu. That means activate effect. And it is there. Mizuho. Okay. No, I don't want to prosperity. I want to OTK him right now. I could have. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Just a couple lightning storms. And that's it. Oh, let's that's it. Come on. Round 2. Dude. Six Samurai United. This guy. What? Alright, so switch out one card. Each Bushido counter. Okay. Who's this guy? Genba. Gen or Gem? Genba? Dodo! Yeah, I'm just gonna ram and yeah, I'm gonna save, and save. Normal summon. Zodiac ram. Infinite impermanence. Oh, he's got something. He's got something. If this trap is a... then I will Eldritch it. Bang. Get the Eldritch. Pop that trap. Pop that. Set the Conquistador. Run over this guy. Zeus later. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Crystal Blend. Once he ashes it. Oh no. Crystal Blend. Activate, pay 100. Add. Albus the Golden Ward. I'm gonna get rid of the prosperity. Yeah. Eldritch, send pot of prosperity. Target can send that back row. What is that back row? What? It wasn't even a trap! It was Monster. Why would you set Monster Reborn? Eldritch from the grave, send to the grave, Cursed Land. Add him to the hand, special summon a zombie monster. He's a zombie. Gains 1,000, can I be destroyed by my opponent's card effect till the end of his turn? Cursed Land. What did I dump there? I didn't even dump anything. I dumped the prosperity. Have this. I'm gonna dump Aquero. I'll set this after. Shogun. Horrible. Didn't really need to go to horrible. Battle. It's got the great effect. No, it's a normal summon. It's gonna attack. Eldritch. Destroy. Genba. Secret 6 Samurai Genba. Gemba, whatever. Genba. Gotta be Genba. Alright, I'll take 4. Is there anything? No. If there's 2. I will stack it up. Hammer come. Checking it. Unless he nibs me. He nibs me. I don't even know how much summons that was. Now I'm gonna stack it right up. I don't think he has nib. And then Tiger Motor. And then Shogun. Sky Thunder. Should have just made it 6. Should have put Trident in there. That's 6. Damn it. Turnendo. End phase. Aquero banish. To set an Elixir, which is Scarlet. I can't even pronounce this. Chuloloia. What is this guy doing? Special summon 1/6 hammer monster from your hand? I don't think so. Attack Baylor. Kageki. 200 attack. Can you special summon? Nope. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. That was easy. Oh, I'm at 1,000. I'm at over 1,000. 1,004. I was at 1092 and I'm at 1104. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, if you liked it. See you guys.